how to change the notification sounds on Android, and how to add new ringtones to the device. In fact, both of these two problems won't be hard to fix only if you go with the tips below carefully. How to change notification sounds on Android. 1. Change notification alerts in built-in options. Open Settings on your phone. Select Sound or Sound and Notification. Navigate to Default Notification Ringtone. Choose a custom Android notification sound. Just select the wanted sound and tap on OK to change the notification sound. 2. Switch text sounds via ES File Explorer. Tap Default Notification Ringtone. Select Use a different app and choose ES File Explorer. Activate the preferred Android text message sound file. It will register as a notification sound. Choose it from the default Android text message sound chooser. How can I add new notification ringtones to Android phone? Download Zedge from Google Play Store. Launch the app. Tap the menu top left or slide left to right. Select ringtones. Explore tabs like Categories, Popular, Featured, or Recent for a list of ringtones. Tap the ringtone to listen, then tap in the middle to play. Select your preferred ringtone. Tap Download to add it. To set as notification sound. Tap SET when needed.